What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here with you is Main Script. First time coming across this channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how to get crypto funded accounts. If you've been looking for ways to get crypto funded accounts, I'm going to be taking you through how to get it in this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Let's head over to X so you can actually get funded account for free, and you can also get it by just going ahead to buy. So you can go ahead to like register on any prop firm and just go ahead to buy the account. I'm going to be taking you through that, and I'll also be showing you on how to get it for free. So, and also this video is for educational purpose only, so I'm not giving you any investment advice. The first way for you to get a free funded account for crypto is just come over to your X account. You have to have an X account. So once you have an X account, you can just come over here and just search for crypto prop firm giveaways. So you're going to be seeing a lot of accounts that are giving out free prop firm accounts to people. So you can just come over to Twitter. If you have an account on Twitter, just come over to Twitter. Then you can just go to search for this keyword. Once you search for this keyword, you're going to be seeing a lot of accounts that are posting like giveaways and all that. So I'm a benefactor of this particular method. So I've won a lot of free account on Twitter. Forex account, I can participate in crypto trading and also forex trading. So you can just come over here, you see X, then you just go to search for crypto profit giveaway, then you scroll down. So this particular person, financial trader, posted that's about May 27, 10 times 10,000 dollars account, funding pips account that is going to be given out. So then you see the flyer and all that. So you see a lot of people commented. So scrolling down, you're going to see a lot of prop firm giveaways on Twitter, and there's some prop firm that gives out free accounts like Fund Your FX. So I actually give out two 5K accounts to my followers on Twitter. So you see the post I posted. I posted this March 25 in partnership with Fund Your FX. So I gave out just 10K accounts to people and they actually received it. So you can also come over to Fund Your FX and just follow them. So once you follow Fund Your FX, you are going to be getting notifications whenever they are doing giveaways. So you can just basically participate in their giveaways. So presently they are doing about 52% off on all account sizes. And if you're buying any accounts from Fund Your FX, you'll be able to trade crypto. You'll also be able to trade forex. So you can trade the currency market, you can trade crypto market. But most of the time, once I get any notification about giveaways, I make sure I do participate in them. And I've actually benefited a lot from X Profit giveaway. So you can also just follow the same method that I just reviewed in this video. So how to get crypto funded account. And the second way is just you buying account. So you can buy Profit account. You can go with Fund Your FX if you like Fund Your FX. They are good. Their rules is very, very good. I'll just go to open a link to their platform now. So I want to show you the second way on how to get a crypto funded account in 2026. The first one I showed you was how to get it for free. While the second one I'm showing you now is how to get it by paying, by making crypto payments or by making the normal bank payment. So coming over to their website, Fund Your FX, you see they are presently doing 52% off, like I said. So you just have to use this code SUMMER50. So when you scroll down, you can just go over to programs. You see all the available programs here. You can go with one step account, you can go with two-step accounts, instant funding, 10 times quest. So for instance, if I'm going with the two-step, I'll just scroll down, select two-step, then I'm going to be seeing the amounts I'm paying. So we have two-step classic, we have two-step pro. So the difference is just the target, the profit target. That's the difference. The profit target, the maximum drawdown, and the daily drawdown. That's just the difference here. So if I select this two-step pro now, you see the difference. Profit target for the first one, it was at 8%, while for this is at 6%. Daily drawdown here is 5%. Maximum drawdown is 10%. So I can just decide to just go with this two-step pro. You see the amount is trading at the amounts I'm going to be paying. So $40. If I'm okay with this 5K account, I'll just go ahead to start trading. You see, two-step classic is just about $23. Then I can just click on this start trading if I want to buy this account. And you see all accounts include no consistency rule, 24 hours payout, drawdown with static. There's nothing like trailing drawdown. This is what fund your FX just fixed. Before it was trailing drawdown, but now it's now static. Refundable fee, yes. Leverage 1:100. Performance split is 80%. Payout is like within 24 hours. Time limit is none. You can scale up to $150,000 account. Weekend holding is allowed. So this is very, very nice. If I want to go with this and start my crypto trading journey, so I can just come over to Fund UFX. I'll copy the code here, the summer code. Then I'll just click on this start trading. So let me just click on this start trading and let's see how the payment works. So you see coupon code applied successfully. Product name is two-step classic 5K account. So I can also go ahead to add the coupon code here, which is summer. So I just have to copy it, then paste it here. So before I'll be able to make a payment, I need to enter the billing details, my email address, first name, last name, phone number, address, city, state, postal code, and country. So once I've done that, then I'll just come over here, payment method. I'll just come over to select the payment method I want to use. You can use cryptocurrency. You get a discount of about 30% plus the 52% off. That's about 55% off discount. You understand? You'll be getting that. So when you scroll down, you see that this discount code has been added successfully. It has been added automatically. Summer 50, $23 was removed from the initial price. So the amount I'm paying now is like $21. Discount price 30% for crypto is $1. So you see the amount I'm going to be paying, $21. So if I'm okay with this, I'll just click on this, I agree. Then I'll just go to pay with cryptocurrency. So once I click on this, a transaction address will be sent to me. So before the transaction address, I'm going to be asked to select the crypto type I want to make payments in. So I can make in USDT, TRX 20, I can make in Ethereum, in BNB, I can make in BTC, Litecoin. So I prefer using Litecoin because of the charges. So I can just go to fund my exchange account. Then I'll just go to make the payment. Then once I've made the payment, my account will be created and I'll be able to have access to my dashboard. I've benefited a lot from Profim account. This one was an account I won from Falcon Funded. The profit I get was about 7.5%, and you see that's already past this. This is a 25K account from Falcon Funded. So you can either use the first free method by just participating in their free giveaways. I've won giveaways from Fund Your FX. So you can just scroll down, you see that they do free giveaways. You just scrolling down, you see the new giveaway they posted on their Twitter page. So you can just go to participate in the giveaway, and once you win, then you'll be given your account, a free account to trade with. So once you're making any profits, you'll be able to make withdrawals. And if it is that you want to purchase an account, I've also bought accounts, I've bought series of accounts. So you can also come over to their website, find your fx.io, then just go to select the account size you want to go with. So if you're going with 200K account, you see the price here about 550. Then just click on this start trading. So this is how to get crypto funded account. So I've showed you two ways how to get it for free and also how to get it paid. So that will be all for this video. If you found this video interesting, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Bye guys, and stay tuned for the next update.